Hello and welcome to our channel everyone. This is 101 Class Survival Guide. We will be delivering lectures on various topics related to different fields of education so you guys can benefit from it. I'm one of the mentors and I hope to be of great help. So first of all, let's talk about the aims and objectives of our channel. The first and foremost thing is to provide students with basic concepts that help them throughout their education. It is not only for those doing a particular assignment or learning a difficult concept, but also for those newbies who are learning something for the first time. We aim to improve understanding towards a particular subject and its topics. In case of any queries, you can just comment below and we'll be sure to answer your question related to the topic. If you have any requests for a particular topic you want us to do, then feel free to comment and we will upload it. Now, what will our channel contain? Mainly educational videos, elaborated concepts for a particular subject topic. The subject's range is very versatile in the case of our channel, ranging from basic to advanced biology concepts, biotechnology including techniques and their basics and major concepts, biochemistry including major biochemical reactions, basic concepts and major techniques, and the field of technology will be uploading regarding computers, programming and coding, mathematical formulae, derivations and their solutions. Of course, let's not forget about art and designing. That too is an important subject, and relevant videos of speed drawings, detailed step-by-step methods, as well as requested videos will be uploaded. Please bear in mind that videos will be uploaded according to a pre-planned outline unless requested by a follower. We will make sure to help you throughout your classes to the best of our ability. This was 101 Class Survival Guide. Thank you very much for watching and please subscribe and comment below for requests. Stay tuned for our latest updates.